Hi everyone, welcome to the A Guide to Math YouTube channel. So today's lesson is on scaled copies, and let's get right onto some math. Now, what is a scaled copy? So a scaled copy is any copy of an original shape, image, picture that is increased or decreased by a scaled factor. And a scaled factor is the number that determines the increase or the decrease. It could be either a fraction if the image is going to shrink and the overall areas and lengths and widths are going to decrease, but they can also be a whole number if the image is going to increase, if it's going to get larger. Okay guys, so here we have an isosceles triangle. The dimensions are 4 on these sides, which are equal sides, 2 as a height and a base of 6. And let's say we have a scaled factor of 1/2. So we want to multiply the whole shapes and all the dimensions by the scaled factor. So if we do all the math, we would get a smaller shape, so the size will decrease because, as I said, it's a fraction, and when it's a fraction you decrease. So what we would get would be, here would become a 3 because you're multiplying by half. This here, these both sides would become a 2, and this side here would become a 1, and you just shrank this. Okay, so another example we have here is this rectangle. You have an area of 8 because 2 times 4 is 8. You have these two sides that are 4 and these two sides that are equal, that are 2. In this case, we will have, let's say, a scaled factor of 2. And what we need to do, as I said, is multiply this whole shape and all of the dimensions by this scaled factor. So in the end, we would have a rectangle that has 4 on these sides because you're multiplying by 2 again. You have 8 here. And then here you would have 32. So guys, we've reached the end of another lesson. If you'd like this video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. If you could please share this with any of your friends that might be having a little bit of difficulties with this topic, and write in the comments down anything you want me to teach you. Bye!